You guys, it is frigid cold out, but we have a Mitsubishi ductless unit we have to work on today. It's not heating. Customer says it's just blowing air. Let's go take a look. We have a Mitsubishi ductless unit that is not heating. It's blowing some air now, but it is not very warm. I'd say it's downright cold. It's certainly set to heating mode. It doesn't seem like there's any heat to that whatsoever. This does a bonus bedroom over top of a garage. It's kind of a low installation, but really no other place to put it. All right, let's go down to the downstairs and the outdoor unit and see what we got going on. Maybe there is a little bit of heat in that. Not very much though. It's running. I have to get the snow away from it. I hear the compressor running. Bet you it's low on charge. Oh, 8 PSI. That ain't gonna get it done. I'm surprised this thing's even running. Alright, put a little bit of refrigerant in it so I can go around my leak detector and check that first. Can't find it like that, I'll put some nitro in it and we'll check there. Hopefully it's something easy to get to. Those inside connections did not look easy to get to. Well, I got to hit relatively quick at these fittings here, or at least the liquid line fitting. Probably where it's leaking at. Just try to soak it up. Yeah, I think I can see it already. Right there at the bottom. Pretty cold, and I only got like 60 PSI pressure on it, but it's definitely blowing bubbles out of there. Yes, sir. Wow, that is a shit flare. Look at it, it's all jagged. Surprised that ever held anything. Look at that nasty thing. Oh, we'll get it cut off and reflared. This, my friends, is a good flare. That's the flaring tool I use right there. I've had it for, I don't know, 15 years. Hasn't let me down yet. Putting some nitro in her now. We'll check. That took that fast. Got it soaked up, trying to check it before it freezes. I think we're looking good though. Keep an eye on it for another minute. She's been holding strong at 357. I think we're good. I don't have any bubbles or anything coming from it. I'm gonna blow this nitro off and we'll pull a vacuum. Pumping her down now. I'm just pulling it right through my gauges. It's a little unit. It shouldn't take too long. Look at that flare I cut off there. It's one of the worst I've ever seen. Come on, guys. It's like the flare they put on there just to hold the nut on a pre-made line set. Jesus. All right, it's taking it. As my batteries hold up. 2 pounds 9 ounces is what we're looking for. All right, 2 pounds 9 ounces. It just started up. That pressure looks a lot better. Let's let her run. Oh yeah, doing its thing now. Oh yeah, blowing big time heat now. Set this back to a more obtainable temperature. All right, we got that one knocked out. Easy enough. So that was a pretty bad flare joint, huh? Come on, guys. You gotta do better than that. But we got them straightened out. This is a very good customer of ours. They have a service contract with us, but they honestly never added that ductless unit to it. I guess they were of the mind of, you know, there's not much with it, but there's more to it than they think. So we're going to add that ductless unit to their service contract. They also have a Train dual fuel system, gas furnace with heat pump that does their main house, 2 zones. Yeah, but we got them straightened out. All right, we have our next call is a oil boiler that seems like it's whistling and then shutting down, the customer says. So we'll go take a look at that. Let's go. All right, sorry guys, I couldn't get any footage on that one. It's going to be a unit replacement. Boiler's in really, really bad shape, so I'm not going to let him put any money into it. The boiler's at least 40 years old and just falling right apart, so we're going to try to get him to replace that. So, all right guys, that's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Catch you on the next one.